Hey everyone, so I'm going to be doing a green look. I don't know why I came up with it, I kind of just did. My other looks usually have a reason behind them, but this one doesn't. So yeah, I'm gonna get straight into it. So I've already primed my eyes, Urban Decay Primer Potion as always. So this is from Maybelline, and it's the Hushed Tints. And I'm going to be taking the light green right there. Take it with a flat shader brush. And I'm going to place this all over my lid, just to give it a light wash of the green color. You can skip this step. It's not really that important to the look, so... So, now that I have that kind of down, I'm going to take my Rebel Pigment. This is from Loreal Hip. I'm just going to get some on my brush, tap off any excess, and pat this on. And of course you're going to get fallout with this look, but... So like that. And go back for the other eye. So, just checking my mirror. And that gives you a really bright green to work with. And now I'm going to take some Scotch tape. Just like I did with my blue look, I'm going to place it right along there. And this kind of helps with the color area, you know. You don't know what I'm talking about probably, because I don't even. So like that, and I look like a monster. Alright, so the rest of the colors are coming from my Maybelline New York Quad, and this is in Emerald Isle. So I'm going to take just the light green first. And I'm taking it with my more dense brush. This is kind of just going to give a basis for the crease. Alright, then I'm going to take this dark green right here. Get some on my big fluffy brush. If it'll go on to my big fluffy brush. Close my eye and kind of focus this more in the outer corner and bring it in. Outer corner, and bring it in. Ow. So, yeah. Bam. Can you hear that little kid screaming? My pool is open here, so little kids have been screaming all day. So like that. And then I'm going to go back with my dense brush. And I'm going to get this dark green color, which kind of shows up brown on my computer, but it's green. It's a greeny brown. I'm going to focus this on my outer corner. Like that. Do it to the other eye. And yeah, now you can take the tape off. Or you could just have done it without tape. I mean, that would just be equally as brilliant, but... Ooh. So then, I'm going to kind of clean off this brush over here, my big fluffy one, that I say really weirdly, and I'm going to blend all those colors together. Now, since the color is so, like, strong up there, I'm not going to bother to bring anything or even line my waterline with anything because the color is, like, so amazingly bright and it doesn't show up on my computer. No, it doesn't. So now I'm going to take mascara. I'm going to use Lash Blast, which I use in like every video, but I love Lash Blast, so. So that's that. And then you can choose a cheek color. I'd really go for a natural kind of cheek color since the eyes are so bright. I'd probably use Morning if I were to use anything, but I'm not going to use anything, so that's up to you guys. For lips, I have on Rose Quartz by Covergirl. It's just what it looks like. And I have my MAC Dazzleglass in BabySparks over it. So that was this look. I hope you guys liked it. I really had fun coming up with this one, even though it came from like nowhere. I'm like, oh, greens. And then I came up with it. Yeah. See you all later. Bye.